Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart video. Yes, I'll show you price action trading based on naked chart without any kind of indicator, because I got so many requests from that. Yes, because there are so many who do not mess up their chart with indicator, and so I'm doing now trades based on the naked chart. Yes, on the chart without any kind of indicator. All my trades and everything what I'm doing since 10 months are based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So let me switch off here everything. And oh no, I have removed them all. That's not good. I have removed them all. Yes, but I have the template. Yes, nice. Yes, that's nice. Okay, so I will switch them off. Yes, nice. So, okay. What do we have here? No rejection trading setup. Those one which I have explained in the ebook. So, but we have here downtrend. Yes, and so here we have some kind of support and resistance. I have to wait for this candle to finish to understand what's happening here. If I get a lower shadow, bigger lower shadow, I will do a call. So, okay, I will do a call now because I'm sure that the trend will continue to going up, yes, because this kind of movement here was because this candlestick, this no rejection trading setup is not working out, yes, and so that was a retracement, and I'm sure that price will continue to going up, and that's the reason why I did a call from this level, yes, because we are here now into an uptrend. We will not get far from this level. So let me draw the Fibonacci level because we have the 61.8 there somewhere. Yes, you see the 61.8 Fibonacci level, yes, which is there. I have seen this. I know already the ratios. Yes, if you apply almost often Fibonacci levels, yes, you will understand the ratios, yes, and then you understand where you have the 61, where you have the 76.4, and where you have other ones, yes. So, but that's the reason why I will not enter into a call again. Yes, I will not enter into a call again. I will do a put here because I'm sure that price will reverse from this level and will not go against the 61.8 Fibonacci again. Yes, because the 61.8 Fibonacci level showed me a nice rejection. That is what I would call the BOTT sure shot 6. Yes, and what I'm doing now is the BOTT sure shot 7. Yes, those one which are based on the Fibonacci level. Yes, this is how it has to look like. This kind of reversal candle is the optimum, yes, to do this kind of BOTT sure shot 6, and that what I'm doing here is only the trend continuation of it, and that is the BOTT sure shot 7. Study those things, apply them to your trading style, yes, and yes, and then they will work out. So, okay, let me see what's going on here. We broke the neckline, but this looks like a railway tracks fake breakout. So, yes, so let me see what's going on here at this level. Yes, it's a fake breakout. I will do a call. Why? Because we have here the 76.4. Yes, I will show you this. I will turn it around. So I will turn it around and you will see that we have here the 76.4. Yes, you see here 73.6. Yes, and this is 76.4. And that's the reason why I'm doing a call, because I'm expecting that price will go up further because it's a fake breakout of the 76.4. So let's see what's happening. Yes, market is doing some kind of panic. Yes, but I'm sure that this will be in the money, because it's a railway track fake breakout of the 76.4 level. So, and you see also those concepts which I'm explaining in my ebook are working really, really nice also on the naked chart, but you have to understand the market condition, you have to understand the context, and that is the key. So I would say that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.